Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to send stickers on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. First of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then tap on this messenger icon on the top right corner and go for the chat in which you want to send stickers. Open it up, and then here you can see a plus icon. Just simply tap on it and then tap at stickers. So here you can find multiple of stickers, or you can search for the sticker according to your need. So once you find your sticker, just simply tap on it to send it. So that's how you can easily send stickers. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you want a question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll recommend you to check the latest video on end screen. Thanks guys.